Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen share audio on your Discord mobile. So if you're experiencing an audio issues while you're playing or while you are navigating your Discord, so let's try to solve that. First is to go ahead and open your Discord app from your phone and go ahead on the three lines on the upper left corner of your phone and just tap that three dots in there to go to your profile and tap voice and video, and in there tap on the input mode and make sure that you have tapped that voice activity and not the push talk. Now if this doesn't solve the problem at all, then the second thing we can do is to go ahead on our Play Store and then type Discord, and then from there all you have to do is to see if this is open or update. Now if it's open, then it means your Discord is up to date. However, if it says update, you have to tap on it and update your Discord. So we need to update it in order for us to make sure that our Discord app is up to date. So just see if that is updated. However, if it's updated and still not working, the third one that we can do is to go ahead on our settings from our phone, tap on the apps, and then tap or search for the Discord app. And then from there, all you have to do is to go to storage and then just tap clear data in order for you to clear cache in here. So just tap OK and tap on permissions, and then in there you can now allow everything in here, allow microphone, allow the camera and video, and hopefully this will solve the problem. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.